Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View, looking at the week ahead and through the weekend. Plenty of dry and often sunny weather in the forecast through these days ahead. We do have the risk of some localised bursts of rain and thunderstorms, most of those though away from the mountain areas. We'll see some wetter and windier weather though arriving from the Atlantic, heading through Friday and again during the weekend. The chart for Wednesday has high pressure over the country and we have lots of warm sunshine, but some hazy high cloud in the mix as well at times, particularly England and Wales, the leftovers of an old front producing some thicker high cloud at times, and that may just give the odd spot of rain, locally even a burst of a shower over Wales in the afternoon, but very isolated. Most places will stay dry. The risk of thunderstorms is further south across England. Light winds overall. It will feel quite humid and very warm over England and Wales, pleasantly warm across Scotland after a rather cool start in the Glens first thing in the morning. There's the risk of some local bursts of rain tracking eastwards across England and Wales overnight and through into dawn on Thursday. The risk of some thunderstorms locally, most of those further eastwards though, and will clear away eastwards during the daytime. So most likely Thursday is an improving day with early cloud breaking and some sunshine increasingly developing from the west across England and Wales through Thursday afternoon. For Scotland, generally a dry day. Again, some high cloud may be in the mix at times, enough to produce an odd spot from that, mainly early in the day and further toward the east, but that will all fade out and generally it's dry and bright with the sunshine coming through pretty widely. Just a bit more breeze in the west, and that will strengthen with time as a southwesterly up the west coast of Scotland, just ahead of some fronts starting to encroach from the Atlantic. Weather systems develop here as we head through to Friday, and an increasing risk of some rain developing and becoming persistent across more western mountains in Scotland. Low cloud coming in as well. Strong to up to gale force southwesterly winds across the higher mountains, especially in Scotland during the day on Friday. For eastern areas, more likely staying drier for longer. England and Wales likewise. Some rain starting to come in from the west by the time we get to later Friday afternoon and evening onwards. Overnight into Saturday, some rain will pass eastwards across most places. That cold front will bring some fresher conditions to all into the weekend. Temperatures then quite a bit lower compared to previous days. One or two showers in western Scotland on and off at times, but mostly a dry and a bright picture for many. Some cloud covering western summits, better breaks further toward the east in the Highlands, and some early patchy rain over England and Wales will clear, and then a ridge of high pressure just building from the west see some brighter conditions developing as well. Moderate southwesterly breezes across most places. Uncertainty of timing by Sunday. We've got another weather system over the Atlantic trying to move in, and that brings the risk of some rain developing and becoming heavier, with stronger winds arriving again up to gale force across the higher mountains. So expecting deteriorating conditions. Just watch the timing of that arrival. You can stay up to date with all your local details for 3 days ahead, as always, on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.